So today we'll be starting with practice set 7.1, but before we start variation, two things should be clear to you: what is direct variation and what is inverse variation. Direct variation is something when one quantity increases, the other also increases. Okay, like if I ask you, cost of 4 chocolates is 20 rupees. Okay, see, simple question I am giving you. Cost of 4 chocolates is 20 rupees. So what is the cost of 12 chocolates? Here, when the number of chocolates are increasing, then of course the cost will also increase. Okay, so in direct variation, when one quantity increases, the other also increases. Such example is called direct variation. So here x upon y is constant. Okay, like 4 upon 12 will be 1 upon 3. Okay, so here 4 chocolates 20 rupees, so 12 chocolates will be how much? You can cross multiply and get, but it will be 60. Okay, so this also 1 upon 3, so 1 upon 3 here is constant. Okay, similarly in inverse variation, if one quantity increases, the other decreases. Okay, so here if one decreases, the other increases, vice versa. Okay, there are some problems where we cannot cross multiply. If I give you example like this, 2 notebooks cost rupees 10, so what is the cost of 20 notebooks? Okay, so you can cross multiply and get the answer, because number of notebooks are increasing, so price will also increase. Okay, but there are some problems where you cannot cross multiply. Okay, so here inverse variation example is men and work, and second example you can take of speed and time. Okay, let us see, this is point A, this is point B. Okay, a car runs from point A to point B at 50 kilometers per hour. Listen, a car runs from point A to point B at 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, so it takes 2 hours to reach there. Okay, then suppose the speed is increased to 60 kilometers per hour. Okay, now here one quantity is increasing, the speed is increasing, so the time taken 2 hours, will it increase or decrease? The time taken by the car will be less than 2 hours or more than 2 hours? Of course it will reach early because the speed is increased, so it will take less than 2 hours. Okay, so here maybe it will take 1.5 hours, or we have to calculate it, but this one is decreasing. See, here one quantity is increasing, the other is decreasing. Such an example is called inverse variation. Okay, so first you should know to classify, and inverse variation is denoted where x into y is constant. Okay, the multiplication is constant. Okay, so let us begin with, there are some ways to write, how we write inverse variation and direct variation. Okay, so we'll begin with 7.1. So the first one they have asked is, circumference of circle is directly proportional to radius. Okay, so they have given the letter C is directly proportional to R. Now here you will use the letter alpha. This is alpha, a Greek letter. Okay, this is how we write direct variation. We'll read it like this: C is directly proportional to R. Okay, second one is consumption of petrol L in a car is and distance travel by the car D are in direct proportion. So they have given two letters L, we have to write direct proportional to D. Okay, this was your question number 1. Question number 2 is your table. Okay, so we'll draw it. So this is your table. Here it is given that the number of apples X is direct proportional to cost of apples. So X is directly proportional to Y. This is given. Okay, now after this step, next step is fixed, that we take a constant X equals to ky. K is a constant, means we take something like K is a constant. Okay, we take it as constant because this, if you see 1, 8, 4, 32, this is going 8 times. Okay, so this will be constant. So we'll take X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 8. So I'll write 1 is equal to K into 8. So K is equal to 1 upon 8. Okay, K we got 1 upon 8. Okay, so once we got K, the value of K, so we can find any n number of X and Y. Okay, so I can write here when, third one, if you see, X is equal to question mark, Y is equal to 56. So I'll write here X is equal to KY. Okay, X is question mark, so I'll write X as it is. K is 1 upon 8, Y is 56. Okay, now you have to substitute the values. So 8 ones are 8, 7s are. X is equal to 7. Okay, then when X is equal to 12 and Y is equal to question mark. Okay, so I'll write first X is equal to KY. X is 12, K is 1 upon 8 and Y we have to find. So Y is equal to 8 will move there, 12 into 8, what is Y equals to? 96. Okay, and the last one I'll do here, when X is equal to question mark, Y is equal to 160. X equals to KY. So X question mark we don't know, K we know 1 upon 8, Y is 1 upon 60. Sorry, 160. So 8 ones are 8 twos are, this is 20. So we got this as 20. So for finding K, we use the numbers where we knew X and Y. You can use this also, still you will get 1 upon 8. This is 1, this is 8. Okay, so we got the blanks here. I got first one X is 7, so I'll write here. Here we got Y is 96, so we'll write here. And here X we got 20. Okay, so this is how we will complete the table. Then second one says that M is directly proportional to N. So what will we write first? M is directly proportional to N. Therefore M is equal to Kn. Okay, this is given, this is K is constant. Okay, now M is 154, K we don't know, N is 14. Okay, now K is equal to 154 by 14, where we know this, oh I am sorry, this is 7, 14 we have in the next one. So 7 ones are 7, 22s are. Okay, K we got 22. You can write here constant of variation. Okay, now you have when M equals to question mark, N is equal to 14. So at that time what you have to do is, here you have to write m equals to kn. Okay, this is equation of variation. M we don't know, k we know it is 22, and n we know it is 14. Okay, so this will be what? 14 2s are 28, 14 2s are 28 plus 2, it is 308. So your answer is 308. Let us move on to fourth one. Now in fourth one, you can see it is not given m varies directly with n, it is given n varies directly as m. So you have to write it like this: n varies directly as m. You have to read it carefully and then write. Okay, then you can write here this is given, then you will write n is km. Okay, now because n is equal to km, we will write here k is a constant. Okay, now any one value we can take. N is 12, km is 3. So k is equal to 12 by 3. 3 will move here. K is equal to 3 ones are 3 fours are. K is equal to 4. Okay, now because k is equal to 4, we got now constant, so we can find here another m and n. Okay, this I can write constant of equation. Okay, now you can see when m is equal to question mark, n is equal to, m is equal to, I will write here 6.5, n is equal to question mark. So n is equal to k times m. Okay, n is equal to, k is 4, n is 6.5. What is 6 4s are 24, 0.5 into 4 is 2, so it will be 26. Okay, as soon as I get, I'll just note down it here. Okay, second one is when m is equal to question mark, n is equal to 28, then we'll write the equation of variation. N is equal to km, 28 is equal to, k is 4, m is we don't know, m is equal to 28 by 4. M is equal to, this is 7. Okay, so we got here m is equal to 7. Then we'll do the third one. N is equal to 1.25, n is equal to question mark. We'll write the equation of variation. Okay, n is we don't know, k is we know it is 4, m is 1.25. 1.25 into 4. How much is 1.25 into 4? It is 2.5, I think so. Yes, correct. 1.525, 2 times is 2.5. 2.5 double is 5. So your answer is 5. Okay, so this is how we will do the fourth one. Let us move on to fifth one. Fifth one given is y varies directly as the square root of x. Yes, so you will write y varies directly as the square root of x. Okay, and they have asked to write the constant of variation and equation of variation. Okay, after this the next step is fixed. What it is? Y is equal to k root, beg your pardon, it is k root x. Okay, now I'll write here k is constant. Okay, now y is 24, k is we don't know, and root 6 x is root 16. Okay, so this will become what? Root 16 we know it is 4, so k is 24, 4 will move there, k is equal to 4 1s are 4 6s are, k is equal to 6. Okay, now because k is equal to 6, we will write this is the constant of variation. They have asked two things, to write the constant of variation and to write the equation of variation. What is the equation of variation? This is the equation of variation, but we have to write the value. Y is equal to 6. Instead of k I am writing 6 root x. This is root x. Okay, y is equal to 6 root x is the equation of variation. Okay, so this is how you will write the fifth one. The sixth one says that the total remuneration paid to the laborers employed to harvest soybean is in direct variation with the number of laborers. Okay, so what we'll do here is, let the remuneration maybe it is a bigger word for you, but remuneration means the payment. Okay, maybe for those who work daily, for daily workers it is wages, for monthly salaried person it is salary. Okay, so let the remuneration be R. Okay, and the number of laborers B. I can take L, I can take N, anything you can take. Okay, so they have given it is in direct variation. So if the remuneration of 4 laborers is 1000, so it is given when R is 1000, number of remuneration of 4 laborers. Okay, so number of laborers L is 4. Okay, find the remuneration of, if the remuneration of 4 laborers is 1000, find the remuneration of 17 laborers. So R is equal to question mark when L is equal to 17. Number of laborers is, when the number of laborers is 17, we have to find the remuneration. Okay, then here if you see, first thing they have given is remuneration varies directly with the number of laborers. So we'll write this. Okay, this is given. Then of course we will take a constant. R is equal to KL. K is a constant. Okay, now R is 1000, K we don't know, L is 4. K is equal to 1000 by 4. What is 1000 upon 4? 425 is 100 and 0 as it is. So K is equal to 250, which is called constant of variation. Okay, now this, with the help of K we can find now this. When R is equal to question mark, okay, I'll write the equation of variation again. R is equal to question mark, K we got it is 250 and L is 17. Okay, so what is 250 into 17? You can do it is 4250. Okay, so you can write, therefore the remuneration of 17 laborers is rupees 4250. Okay, so with this we complete our practice at 7.1. Goodbye, good luck.